Hello everyone, we finally made it to the end. I would like to show you my final project and all the components that went into making this a complete project. So this is my capstone project, adding technology into the classroom. First off, I have my final presentation to stakeholders. This is my completed project for you to view. I felt it was important to show this first since this is the main reason for the course. The purpose of this project was to help classroom teachers integrate technology into their classrooms by offering two proven frameworks. Although there will always be room for traditional classroom activities, we as teachers must prepare these digital native students to be 21st century citizens. And you see right here, here's a video. You just click on it and it will play for you. Next, we have all of the project components. The first item is the instructional design project identification. This part was exciting to me because we were able to put all the training we have been going through during these courses. And you see right here, I found this, and you can just scroll through it. You don't have to click a link. I learned that from somebody else's project earlier today. All right, next thing we have is the instructional design project outline, followed by the managing risk and escalation presentation outline. Although both documents were difficult for me, I learned a lot. I have never completed a SWOT analysis, but it was very exciting. So again, just scroll through here. Here's all these things. Going through the milestones was also very exciting for me. That was very neat. I enjoyed that. And then here's the managing risks presentation slide. Let's see here. This is the presentation from the outline and managing risk documents. I like creating presentations, and it was fun putting all the information I'm excited about into one single presentation. And then finally, here's the communication providing constructive criticism. I had a mentor once tell me, bad news travels fast. This means do not linger on bad information. Communicate your problems quickly. And although it is usually unpleasant, it will be much more worse if left to linger. All right, and again, here it is. All right, everybody, this is it. Signing off for the final screen show. So I hope to see everybody at graduation. Have a good day.